Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of mobile phones with a review of the original Apple iPhone 6 Plus. This phone is a classic, and it's still in high demand for its reliability, functionality, and sleek design. The Apple iPhone 6 Plus features a 5.5-inch screen and comes with 16, 64, or 128 GB of storage options, giving you plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The dual-core processor ensures smooth performance, and the 8MP camera captures stunning photos and videos. One of the standout features of the iPhone 6 Plus is its compatibility with 3G and 4G LTE networks, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity wherever you go. And with the fingerprint sensor, you can keep your phone secure with just a touch. Now, I know what you're thinking, this is a used phone, not a new one. But let me assure you, the quality of this iPhone 6 Plus is top-notch. The slight differences in color and screen lightness are to be expected with a used phone, but they do not compromise the overall performance and functionality of the device. In terms of accessories, this iPhone 6 Plus comes with everything you need to get started, including a charger, silicone case, and glass protector. Plus, with the simple set package, you'll have everything you need to start using your new phone right away. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this iPhone 6 Plus was made in 2014, so it's 10 years old. While it supports iOS 12, it can't be updated any further due to the age of the CPU and ROM. This means that some new apps may not be compatible with this model. However, with a vast selection of apps available for iOS 12, you'll still have access to plenty of your favorites. In conclusion, the original Apple iPhone 6 Plus is a timeless classic that combines sleek design, reliable performance, and essential features. Whether you're a longtime Apple fan or looking to experience the brand for the first time, this phone is a great choice. If you're ready to experience the power and style of the iPhone 6 Plus for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description to purchase this product. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.